Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the Samco Active Momentum Fund NFO. So, if you're interested in investing and want to know more about this opportunity, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what an NFO is. NFO stands for New Fund Offering, and it refers to the launch of a new mutual fund scheme. Now, let's talk about the Samco Active Momentum Fund NFO. The Samco Active Momentum Fund is an innovative mutual fund scheme designed to capture the potential of momentum investing. It aims to identify stocks that are showing strong upward momentum and capitalize on their growth potential. This fund is managed by a team of experienced professionals who use quantitative and qualitative analysis to make investment decisions. Now, let's take a look at some of the key features of the Samco Active Momentum Fund NFO. Momentum-based investing. The fund focuses on investing in stocks that have exhibited strong momentum, aiming to ride the wave of their upward price movements. Diversified portfolio. The fund follows a diversified approach by investing across various sectors and market capitalizations, which helps in managing risk. Active management. The fund's portfolio is actively managed by experts who constantly monitor market trends and adjust the holdings accordingly. Flexibility. Investors have the flexibility to choose between the growth and dividend options, depending on their investment goals and preferences. Now that we understand the key features, let's talk about the benefits of investing in the Samco Active Momentum Fund NFO. Potential for higher returns. Momentum investing aims to capture the stocks that are on an upward trajectory, potentially leading to higher returns over time. Professional management. The fund is managed by experienced professionals who have a deep understanding of market dynamics, making informed investment decisions on your behalf. Diversification. By investing in a diversified portfolio, the fund helps reduce the risk associated with investing in individual stocks. Liquidity. The fund provides liquidity to investors, allowing them to buy or sell units on any business day, ensuring easy access to their investments. Now that you're excited about this NFO, let's talk about how you can invest in the Samco Active Momentum Fund. Research and understand. Before investing, it's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the fund's objectives, investment strategy, and risk factors. KYC compliance. Ensure that you are KYC compliant by completing the necessary Know Your Customer (KYC) formalities. Approach a distributor or Samco. You can invest in the Samco Active Momentum Fund NFO through a registered distributor or directly through Samco's website or app. Fill out application form. Complete the application form, providing accurate details and the investment amount. Payment and confirmation. Make the payment for your investment and wait for the confirmation and allocation of units. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our overview of the Samco Active Momentum Fund NFO. Remember, investing in mutual funds carries some level of risk, and it's essential to align your investments with your financial goals and risk appetite. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.